Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. Sa video na ito, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano magpalit ng footer credits, ng default footer credits ng Divi theme. So, kung makikita nyo dito sa baba, meron dito nakalagay, designed by Elegant Themes, powered by WordPress. So, papalitan natin to, gawin nating copyright at 2019 by bicolguide.com. So, ang gagawin natin is maglalagin tayo sa ating admin dashboard. Okay, login. Pupunta tayo sa Appearance tab and Editor. Okay, nandito na tayo sa ating editor. Ang gagawin natin is hanapin natin yung footer.php, this one. Click mo yan. Then, hanapin mo yung footer. So, this one is footer. So, kung makikita nyo dito is designed by and powered by Elegant Themes and WordPress. So, gagawin natin, itong HTML code na to, papalitan natin to simula dito hanggang dito. So, palitan natin yan, pero may ipapakita ako sa inyo yung shortcut na hindi tayo gagamit ng HTML code or wala tayong gagawing coding. So, punta tayo sa post and mag-create tayo ng bagong post. So, add new. Okay, wag na tayong gumawa ng title. So, kasi sample lang naman to. Gawin natin is okay. Dito tayo sa visual. Click mo yung visual and gawa tayo ng text na gusto nating ilagay doon sa footer like copyright at yung symbol na at copyright symbol na at gawin nyo is alt 0169 okay 2019 by bicolguide.com Bicol Guide by bicolguide.com or by Bicol Guide lang. So, copyright 2019 by Bicol Guide. So, gagawin natin guys, itong Bicol Guide na to, gagawin natin siyang link papunta sa ating homepage website. So, gawin mo is i-highlight mo ito and insert edit link. So, gawin mo, kopyahin mo ito, Control C and Control V. Okay, and apply. Okay. So, gawin mo, i-click mo tong text na ito para ma-open niya yung HTML code. So, hindi na tayo gumawa ng HTML code kung saan na siyang lumabas. So, by clicking this text tab here. So, gawin mo, kopyahin mo lahat ito. I-highlight mo and right-click, copy. Okay. Gawin natin is punta tayo sa appearance, editor. I-leave mo na to, skip mo na to kasi don't save this, hindi naman natin yung kailangan. Nakuha na natin yung HTML code na kailangan natin. So leave this one. Okay. We go back to our PHP, or we go back to our footer.php. So scroll down, click this one, and scroll down, look for the footer. So ito yung footer.info or footer information. So what we can do here is just highlight this from this one to here and delete and control V para makopya natin yung HTML code or yung footer credit na ginawa natin kanina. So ito na yung footer credit ngayon. Copyright at 2019 by Bicol Guide. Kaya lang ginawa natin is nilink natin siya sa ating WordPress homepage or sa ating website homepage. So what we can do now here is go down and update the file. Okay, file edited successfully. So what we can do here is visit the site and scroll down. Okay guys, this is our new footer credit, copyright at 2019 by Bicol Guide. So when your viewers click this text here, they will go to the home page. Okay guys, thank you for watching.